Are you searching for the best Mach3 motion controller? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best Mach3 motion controllers in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. NVEM CNC Motion Controller 300 kHz NVEM V5 upgrade. The added functions of the second generation NVEM products are as follows. It also supports digital display manual control, digital display hand pulse and standard hand pulse, as shown in the figure. The digital display control serial port COM1 communication part is an open protocol, and users can develop their own control equipment to cooperate with NVEM. The I/O extension serial port COM2 communication part has an open protocol. Users can extend I/O according to the protocol and provide expansion module. The maximum output frequency is increased to 250K per shaft, improve performance, and keep the price unchanged. It is used to process various molds with rich and colorful patterns, such as embossing board, sole mold, button mold, zipper mold, pattern text impression mold, bronzing mold, instrument mold, glass mold, etc. It is used in advertising industry, such as company signs, building models, badges, nameplates, display boards, logos, door plates, signs, process decoration, furniture decoration, etc. It is used for plane carving, in-script, Yang script outline and relief carving of portraits, landscapes, calligraphy and lettering, seals, and other arts. With CNC controller, it is suitable for various small and medium-sized automation equipment and instruments.